In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for a student. Notebooklm is a great study companion because it lets you bring your own class materials, then ask focused questions, and save the best answers as reusable notes. The key is to treat it like a research assistant that only works from the sources you give it, so you stay grounded in your actual readings and lectures. First, go to Notebooklm and click plus Create New. This makes a fresh notebook for a class, a unit, or even a single assignment. Naming your notebook clearly, like the course name and topic, will help you stay organized later, especially when you create more than one. Next, click Upload to add your study sources. You can bring in PDFs, paste in URLs, or choose files from Google Drive. This is where you should add things like lecture slides, reading packets, syllabus pages, lab instructions, or credible articles. Try to keep your uploads relevant to the same topic so the answers stay focused. If a document is long, that is fine, but it helps to include the most important versions of your materials, like the final lecture deck or the correct edition of a reading. Once your sources are loaded, look to the right sidebar and find Studio. This is where you can access features like audio overview and video overview. These tools can help you review content in a different format, which is especially useful when you are commuting, doing chores, or preparing for a quiz. Think of Studio as a quick way to summarize and reinforce what you uploaded. After that, move down to the chat box at the bottom and type a specific question. Keep your question narrow and clear, such as asking for key terms, definitions, comparisons between two concepts, or a summary of a section. Specific questions lead to better study help, and they make it easier to check the answer against your source material. Finally, when you see a response you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins it to your board so you can build a study guide over time. Save explanations, example problems, vocabulary lists, and anything you want to review later in one place. That covers everything you need to know.